Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Kim and I'm going to show you my newest design team kit from Country Craft Creations. This is the Simple Stories Say Cheese Classic Pooh, and it's perfect for what I need right now because I do have a grandbaby coming. And also when my sister was really little, my dad used to call her Pooh. So I thought maybe she would like maybe a little book of some sort too. So I'm going to go through the papers with you and some of the other materials that I received to make something. I've already ordered the Classic Pooh hardbound books so that when I make an album, I can have the books and I can gift the things together. So I'm super excited. So as you can see, I have this sticker sheet up here on the top, and it's got some cute layouts, not only of the Pooh, but also of the other characters and some sayings. So a hug is always the right size. Happy together, it's always an adventure with you. There is no hurry, we shall get there someday. A lovely day, kind words are like honey. So I'm really excited to use this. I love the colors. Then there's a lot of sayings down here also. So the first actual paper looks like it is, just wonder, I'm going to look to see if they have names on these. Hold on, I have paper stuck together. Okay, this is the 3x4s, obviously, and then we have the nice plaid on the back. But the 3x4s are super cute. How do you spell love? Oh, but my darling, what if you fly? Oh, I love that saying. What day is it? Today, said Piglet. Ah, said Pooh, my favorite day. Oh, how cute are these, you guys? I'm going to love making a book with this. And again, the other side was plaid. These are the, you've got 2x2s and 4x4s on this one. So I even like the classic where there's just a solid color with the black drawing. This one says, when you see someone putting on their big boots, you can be pretty sure that an adventure is going to happen. When life throws you a rainy day, play in the puddles. I think this is advice that all of us could use. People say nothing is impossible, but I do nothing every day. Now that's not a good one. That's not a saying that we all should use. Sometimes the smallest things take up the most room in your heart. And then we have bees on the back. It's so cute. I love the layout pages that they do if you're a layout person. So we've got that border strip on the side with a photo. This is called Better with Friends. This is real. I really like this. And on the other side, you've just got clouds and birds. 100 Acre Wood. Now, the grandbaby I have is going to have, excuse me, is a girl. And I think one of the great things about this paper is this is boy or girl. And then on the other side, you have a green with polka dots. So this is, if you're the layout type, this is the other side to the one I showed you. So it would be side by side, like so. I don't know if you can see that. And this one is called Sweet as Honey, because you can order these, I believe, individual sheets. I'll have to double check. But the honey bingo card, stamps, and flowers. And on the opposite side, we've got flowers. And they did a good job of giving you some toned down designs with their other ones so that you have a nice balance. You can't make a book without flowers. So here we have the Splendoriferous. I think that's how you would say it. Splendiferous. That's what you would say. It's called Splendiferous. Super cute flowers. And I'm pretty sure that this isn't really peach. It's kind of a pinky peach color. And then here you have like the classic Pooh story pages. And these would be real easy to cut out individually the way they have it laid out. Great design idea. So we have Pooh laying in some flowers. It's called Silly Old Bear. I can hear Christopher Robin saying that as I'm looking through this paper. How funny is that? Brings back memories. And then the red and white gingham. How cute is that together? Whew, love it. We have our One Big Adventure, where they're off with Christopher Robin and Eeyore and Tigger and Roo and, is it Kanga, maybe I think they call it. And then on the other side, another beautiful plaid. Now that I see it in person, I'm so much more excited to get started, because when I saw it online, I'm like, oh, that's cute. But now that I see it, I'm saying, oh my gosh, this is cute. So there's a difference. This is Oh Bother. Black stitching, flowers, and Pooh. And then on the other side, we have flowers. So this is what really makes it great for me, being as I'll be making it for a little girl. We have some journal elements. And this is really important, I think, if you're doing a brag book or a baby album or the first year album or something like that. Or even if you're doing, like I said, my sister, you know, her nickname was Pooh Bear. So even if you have these cards, it's great to go back and reminisce in like a journal form about some things when you were little. And then we have that. Oh, so cute. I know my sister would love this. And actually, my sister is a new grandma. She's got a 7-month-old, so this is a great time of life for our family. This is the tag elements. I love that they do this. It is more fun to talk with someone who doesn't use long, difficult words, but rather short, easy words like, what about lunch? Okay, I think that is super cute. That's going to be my new, I should put that as my signature on my email. So cute. Hey there, honey. Adventure awaits. How lucky I am to have something that makes saying goodbye so hard. Big things start small. And then on the back, then I like how they have that more plain journaling element. I'm not even kidding you when I say my attitude toward this paper has, I mean, it was already good to begin with, but now to see it, 4x6 cards. I love when they do that, like mixture of elements, the layering. It looks like there's, you know, multiple layers. I just love that. If there ever comes a day when we can't be together, keep me in your heart. I'll stay there forever. Friendship is a very comforting thing to have. It never hurts to keep looking for sunshine. Life is an adventure. Just hang on and be happy. And polka dots on the back. Pooh dots. So some corresponding paper to go with it so that you can add mats and just to, you know, calm it down. Sometimes you need some solids. So this is a sparkle. This is a glitter paper, and I am all about glitter paper. I love actual glitter. I like the shine glitter. And this is the My Cardstock, and this one is blue chip. So let me get a piece of the blue and see how they look together. Something that has a lot of blue. Or you know what? Even something like this, I can't get it. Because then I also have this green, and to me that would be great to have like the blue at the top and the green at the bottom, and this mixed in like a scene, kind of like a outdoor scene. Any other blue? I do like it with this, of course, and this things like that. Very nice. And that's the My Cardstock blue chip. This is my cardstock, and this color is Spanish moss. So I'm just going to grab a paper here and there just to kind of have us take a look at how it goes together. So there's not, you're pulling out the greens and the leaves and in this picture, so I like that. That doesn't really go. Oh, look at this though. Look at how good that looks. Okay. And the third color here is a red, and this is the My Cardstock, and this is Chinese red. So let's go back and take a look at how well the reds blend. This one. Nice. Okay, so those are the corresponding papers, and that's the My Cardstock paper line. So when I work with any kind of album or what, I just like shine and pearl and glitter. I just think it gives it a pop and it makes it really stand out. So another paper I'll be using is the pearlescent card, and this is called Lemon Luster, and it's a Tonic Studios paper. Let me take one out. I don't know if you'll be able to see the shine on this on the camera. I can see it obviously in person. It's so pretty. It's subtle, but yet it makes a statement, if that makes sense. And there's, I believe, 5 sheets in here. Let me double check. Let me put it back in before I misplace it or bend it. Let's see here. I don't know if there's anybody else out there like me, but when I take the paper out of these plastic containers, they come out really easy, but I have a heck of a time putting them back in. I don't know what my problem is, but was there 5? I think so. I just covered the thing to say, but I'm pretty sure there's 5 pieces in here because I've used it before. Some of the elements I'll be working with, the sentiment bits, and they are pictured on the back here. Let me just open it and kind of show you size-wise so that you have an idea. I'll kind of put it in the palm of my hand. I'm not going to take all of them out, but obviously they have a variety of sizes. So we have elements that are larger, and then like these little tabs, little tickets, banners. I love things like this where they're layered. We've got words, ta-ta for now, oh honey, forever. Okay, so good variety in both the design, the shape, the size, all of that good stuff. It does say there are 55 pieces of the sentiment bits. See, once again, I can't get it in when I got it out fine. Okay, so that's the sentiment bits. These also Simple Stories Smart. I love using these because they do look like brads, and but they're an adhesive sticker. So we've got some with Pooh and the flowers, just flowers, the woods, hello there, oh bother, and then just different colored ones. And I love the black and white on this. This would be so good on that this paper that was red and white check. I would think that would look cool. Then you have some chipboard tags and decorative pieces. We didn't know we were making memories. We just knew we were having fun. And the best kind of friends show up when you're a little stuck. Oh, I love this. I don't know why it's making me so sentimental. It's kind of silly. And then I have seam binding. Country Craft Creations has, if you need a color of seam binding, they've got it. So this is a blue. What color do they call this blue? Let's see if I have it. It's just called medium blue. And then the pink is light pink. And you'll notice I also have some jute in the color of sage. Okay. And I saved this for last because I'm going to base my album off of these frames. Like I want every page to have a very, I want the frames to be the focal point, if that makes sense. So these I am going to take out because I think you need to see how cute they are. I always love that Simple Stories does this too. So we have, what are the sizes of these? This is about 4 3/4 and about 6.5. The opening itself is 3.5 by 4 1/4. Okay, super cute. Then you have a smaller one that says Sweet as Honey. It's about 3 and probably 3/8 by about 4.5. The opening 2 1/4 by about 3 1/4. And this one has a larger, well, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just like a illusion. This is about 2 3/8. Yeah, they're about the same. It's just that it looks different with the plaid that says smile and life is good. So the double frame, love. Life is one big adventure. I love this so much. They're also good to have one on the cover. So to me, this is a good cover piece because it's larger. Or this, I don't know. We have another double layer with the 100 Acre Wood background. And then finally, the Everything is Better with Friends. This would need, to me, some pops of color here and there with maybe adding either flowers or ribbon or something. Those brads, just putting maybe one here or there just to kind of give it a pop of color. So I just love these frames. I think that that is such a great, oh, I just cut my finger. This is such a great element for them to include in their designs and in their collections. And you can't make an album without chipboard, and so this is the heavy stock, or the heavier weight chipboard. Let me see if it's written down here. Hold on. Chipboard, simple stories. I don't know. They have a lightweight and I think it's light and medium, maybe. This is more of the medium. I don't know. I'll put the link in the description box. So I'm going to put all of the links in the description box below, and so that it makes it easy for you just to click on that link and it will take you right to the page. And so that makes it very easy. Or I'll just have a generic link that's affiliated with me personally, so that I get a little bit of recognition for having people who come to my channel go shop at the store. So let me just kind of work backwards here. We've got chipboard. We have the tonic in the lemon, I don't remember what it was called. In the, oh, for Pete's sake, what did I say that color was? Lemon luster, sorry. Then we've got the Chinese red. I don't want to get, we've got the Spanish moss and the blue chip. And then I'll just place these back down with the cute stickers, frames, adhesive back brads, twine and seam binding, and the sentiment bits. So you are going to love this. It is so much cuter in person. I kid you not. So please check it out. Go to countrycraftcreations.com and just, they might even have, I believe they do have more that can go with this collection. I'm thinking they have some dies and stamps too. So lots of fun stuff. All right, everyone. Thank you for coming by my channel.